The Kh-38 missile strike launched from the Russian Su-34 jet against a Ukrainian Forward Position Vehicle, FPV, demonstrates the advanced military tactics and technology shaping this ongoing conflict. The Kh-38 is designed for high-precision strikes on high-value targets, such as air defense systems, radars, armored vehicles, and command posts. With its extended range and pinpoint accuracy, it has become one of Russia's primary weapons to break down Ukraine's defense lines. The Su-34 jet, renowned for its ability to carry out both ground and precision strikes, plays a pivotal role in Russia's strategy. Capable of flying at high speeds and equipped with a variety of weapons, including missiles and precision-guided bombs, the Su-34 is able to neutralize critical Ukrainian infrastructure. One of the jet's key advantages is its ability to evade radar detection and conduct deep strikes in enemy-controlled areas, giving Russia a distinct strategic edge in dismantling Ukraine's defenses. However, the use of high-precision weapons like the Kh-38 not only weakens Ukraine's military position, but also compounds the challenges of a conflict that has already dragged on for months. By targeting vital positions in Ukraine's defense system, these strikes inflict significant damage on logistics and manpower along the front lines. This severely limits Ukraine's ability to respond to further attacks and weakens their ability to hold ground. On the humanitarian front, the deployment of precision-guided missiles adds further pressure on civilians, particularly those living near the front lines. While the Kh-38 minimizes collateral damage to surrounding areas, the targeted nature of these strikes still affects civilian life. Critical infrastructure, such as hospitals, schools, and other non-combatant facilities, often becomes unintended casualties of military operations, even when located close to military targets. Internationally, this strike could increase diplomatic tensions between countries involved or those providing support to either side. Nations backing Ukraine, whether through direct weapon shipments or diplomatic means, may see this as an escalation, which could influence future decisions to provide additional aid. Meanwhile, Russia may view this as a necessary move to weaken Ukraine's defenses, reducing the threat to their forces in the broader region. Ultimately, the use of the Kh-38 missile by Russia, supported by Su-34 jet strikes, underscores how this conflict is increasingly shaped by advanced military technology and precision tactics. While these strikes have a significant military impact, their broader effects on humanitarian conditions and international relations further complicate the situation. This dynamic makes the conflict even more complex and raises the potential for ongoing escalation.